Hey friends, it's Miss Hannah with another lesson. Today's lesson we are going to make rain. Make rain clouds. Make clouds. So with this lesson, we need cotton balls. In the lesson plan that I have on the transparent classroom, it says to count between 5 and 10 cotton balls. So we have a full bowl of cotton balls. And the second instruction was to fill a large bowl with water halfway. So we did so as well. So let's count out our cotton balls. Let's see how many we have. One. I'll let you look at it. It's pretty soft. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, and 10. We have 10 cotton balls all together. Let's put these cotton balls back. Let's count them as we put them back, okay? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10. Let's feel the cotton ball. Does this cotton ball feel rough or smooth? It does feel a little rough. And it goes across my fingers pretty smoothly, but little bits of cotton, it makes it feel rough. Does this cotton ball feel soft or hard? Yeah, when I was first working with the material, I said it felt soft. It's really nice and soft and squishy feeling. Yeah. So let us put the cotton balls inside our bowl. And let's count the cotton balls as we put them in our bowl. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10. Now let's look at our cotton balls. Let's observe them. What happened to our cotton balls? Did our cotton balls sink or did they float? To sink, the cotton ball would need to go to the bottom of the water. But if it floated, the cotton ball would stay on top of the water. Does it look like the cotton balls are on top of the water or at the bottom of the bowl? Yes, it looks like our cotton balls are at the bottom of the bowl. So our cotton balls, they sink. Cotton balls sink in water. So just like clouds, our cotton balls absorb the water. If you see, the water is inside the cotton ball. when we have rain clouds, there is water inside the clouds. And with these storms and how things go in the clouds, it causes water to come down. So it makes rain clouds. So we made our rain clouds. Our cloud is raining. Now that our cloud has water in it, does it still feel rough or is it smoother? I think it's, what do you think? Yeah, I think it's about the same. It's just, it's wet versus being dry, right? And I think it still feels soft versus feeling hard. So those feelings still feel the same. They're just they're just wet. So we made rain clouds, and our rain clouds absorb the water, and just like a storm, the water is inside the clouds. They're inside our cotton balls, and it rained for us. When water fills the clouds, it rains. Well, friends, some of the things that you could do as an extension for this lesson, you can write down some of the responses that we said as far as the cotton ball feeling rough or smooth. You can write down that the cloud feels, and you can write if you feel that it feels rough or feels smooth, and that is a sentence. You can also write down that it felt soft or hard to yourself. You can write your response. The cotton ball felt, and you can say soft, or you can write the cotton ball felt hard. You can also write the number 10 for how many cotton balls you count. If you didn't count 10 and you decide you only want to count 5 cotton balls, then you can count 5 cotton balls. Or if you want to write 10, then you can count 10 cotton balls. Or you can draw your cotton balls, and we can draw 10 cotton balls and put a number under each cotton ball or inside the cotton balls, however you want to get creative. Another extension is writing about clouds. You can write the word cloud. You could talk about sink or float. You can do any language writing with this work. For the clouds, rain comes from clouds, or clouds have water in them. You can say anything as far as your writing to create sentences, or just you can sort the float or sink, soft or rough, and compare other items in your home that are soft and rough, or that may be hard and soft. Rough and smooth, or hard and soft. And you can write and sort and pair which ones feel similar. So you can do different extensions with this work. So I hope you enjoyed this work. At the end of our work, I am going to pour this out, and you can reuse your cotton balls if you're being earth friendly. You can let them dry and reuse them. You can even do cotton ball or cloud painting with the cotton balls after they dry. And you can just dip them in paint and paint on a paper. So you can do many different things to reduce and reuse, and to continue this work and make an extension for something longer and something else. I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a great day. Thank you.